outskirts of town, where the fields stretch far and the sun goes down. Riding in trucks with the windows down low, low, blasting our music on the old radio. Friday nights at the honky-tonk bar, shooting pool, playing songs on guitar. Living for the weekend, chasing the stars, in a world where nothing's too far. On the back roads and bar stools we made our stand, with dusty boots and country band. Living life simple, with a drink in our hand, in the heart of the Southland, we're taking a stand. We gather around the bonfire light, telling tall tales till the morning light, dancing in the dirt, two-stepping in time, to the rhythm of love and a sweet moonshine. Every heartache and every joy captured in the songs of a country boy. We wrote our stories in the southern soil, with dreams too big